Welcome to Listen and Learn English Easy. Today's idiom is, the ball is in your court. Imagine a tennis match. I hit the ball. Now it is flying toward you. You must decide. Hit it back or let it drop. The choice is yours. The ball is in your court means it is now someone else's turn to act or decide. You did your part. Now they must respond. Example 1. I have sent him the job offer. The ball is in his court now. Again, I have sent him the job offer. The ball is in his court now. Example 2. I apologize to her. The ball is in her court whether she forgives me. Again, I apologize to her. The ball is in her court whether she forgives me. Example 3. We have given you all the information. The ball is in your court. Again, we have given you all the information. The ball is in your court. Pronunciation tip. Native speakers often say this fast. Listen carefully. The ball's in your court. Again, the ball's in your court. One more time. The ball's in your court. Similar expressions include, it is up to you. The decision is yours. Over to you. But the ball is in your court sounds more professional and natural. Practice time. Complete the sentence. I have done everything I can. Now, blank. Answer. I have done everything I can. Now, the ball is in your court.